Hello everyone. Now today we are going to learn practical of to determine silt content in sand by volume. So first, what is meant by sand? So sand is a granular material composed of finely divided rock and mineral particles. It is defined by size being from finer than gravel and coarse than silt. Then next, aim is to determine the silt content in sand by volume. The definition is the quantity of silt, fine silt, clay and fine dust is determined by sedimentation method. Then this test is carried out to determine the amount of silt, clay or other fine dust that may be present in a sand sample. The presence of such in a sand used in concrete will reduce the strength of the hardened concrete. Then let's see the procedure. For determining silt content in sand, the apparatus and other material include first is 1% solution of sodium chloride NaCl of 100 ml water. Next, graduated measuring jar and sand sample in natural state. Then procedure is first take 50 ml of prepare 1% solution of sodium chloride in measuring jar. Then add sand in jar till level reaches 100 ml mark in jar. Here up to 100 ml. Then again add 1% mixed solution until 150 ml mark. Here up to 150 ml. Now shake the container virtually up and down. And then keep this jar in undistributed conditions for at least 3 hours to allowing the content in jar to settle down. So after 3 hours you can see here the silt content and clean sand is settled down. Then the reading of settled silt and clay sand should be taken and percentage of silt can be calculated. So calculations is first take reading. So total volume of sand in ml is 96, and then volume of silt test in ml, that is total volume of sand is 96 minus settled clean sand is 94. So our volume of silt test is 4 ml, and calculations is percentage of silt content is equal to, formula is volume of silt after 3 hours divided by volume of sample multiplied by 100. So V2 divided by V1 multiplied by 100. So where V2, our V2 is nothing but 4 divided by V1 is 96 multiplied by 100. So 4 divided by 96 multiplied by 100 is nothing but 4.17%. So this is our percentage of silt content. Thank you.